Alright, so you'll go into Google Classroom, and that is where you're going to find all of your information. So we're just going to start here with the Get to Know You activity. Alright, so I'm going to spin the wheel, and I'll just start with whatever it says, and then we'll just kind of go around, and everybody will get to decide to pick one. Sound good? Okay, so this is for me. Would you rather never wear deodorant or have really bad dandruff? I'm going to go with deodorant, even though I think that's really gross. But I think I could wear like perfume to cover it up. So dandruff, I don't know what I'd do with that. Yeah. All right. So Ryan, right? Okay. Would you rather have 10 kids or no kids at all?
No kids.
No kids. Ryan's going for none. Hey, what do you think? Pick one for you. Would you rather have a pet dragon or a pet unicorn?
Pet dragon, because they can shoot fire, people I don't like. And they can fly on them. And if, like, my sister has to pick on me, I can just fly away. Evil laugh.
Alright, Perla, let's do this one for you. Would you rather have a mansion or a private jet? Mansion. Right. And Dylan, right? Okay. Oh, we'll do a different one. It's no fun to do the same one, is it?
No, it ain't.
Would you rather only use dog shampoo or never cut your toenails? Alright, dog shampoo. Toenails get hurt. It's like, wouldn't you think? I wouldn't like that at all. So, then, figure it out.
Who?
Kayla, right? Okay.
Kayla, Dylan, Perla, Nate.
I'm getting there. You guys have known each other probably for like what? At least
I've known all these
like
people
5,
7
10 years. I think you have one up on me. I'll learn him.
I already did this one. Is it my turn? It's my turn, right?
No, Caleb. Would you rather be an Instagram influencer or only be YouTube famous?
You can earn money. You got a lot of subscribers. I don't really
Does
know.
Instagram influence make money though?
What?
I'm sure an Instagram influencer makes money.
Well, I don't know. It doesn't really matter.
Alright. So, yeah, I don't really know.
Do I need this?
Alright.
Are we done?
No. Well, we're done with Would You Rather.
No, I want to playing. My turn.
Okay. So I did send a syllabus to you. You had a turn. I did send the syllabus to everyone. So if you want to look at it on your own, you can. I'm just going to go through a few things for you. So you are aware. Maybe. All right. So you probably went through a lot of this today. As far as in this class, anything that you do in Classroom or Google Drive, do not delete. You'll be able to use that stuff on your final, but if you delete it, you will not be able to use it. I cannot go back and find things. I don't know how. Okay, bathroom and hall is a little different this year in the sense that if you have to go to the bathroom, please just say you have to go to the bathroom and go. Don't wait for passing period because they only let 5 people in the bathroom. It might cause you other problems, so ask to use the bathroom.
Don't like Peter pants.
Well, we don't want that either.
And
Okay.
And then you might get to go home.
So,
We don't want that.
also, when use the restroom, we'd like for you to use your cell phone in the room. There's been a lot of issues with the cell phone problems, people taking pictures and such in the restroom. Food and drinks, you can just have water in here, you can pull your mask down in order to drink. Cell phones, electronics, if I'm up here talking, then you should not have those devices. Same thing, I would not be up here teaching you and on my phone, okay? So if you don't think that I should be doing it, you shouldn't do it either. Does that make sense? During that time frame. Other than that, you have plenty of time to do work at home, so if you want to do work at home, that is on you, right? So, tardies, I would like for you to be here on time. If you're 15 minutes or later to a class, that means that you're absent. I'm not like a huge stickler on time, so you just like to make sure that you get your, it's not an everyday occurrence, but if like you have to go to the bathroom, go to the bathroom. That's good. If you're here, if you're healthy, be here. We only meet once every 4 days. So if you miss, there will be recordings so that you can watch. That's why I've got this going here and for our remote learners. So I recommend that you do that. If for some reason you have to be quarantined, that also is where you're going to go to Google Classroom to see those videos if you'd like to. Okay? Everybody have that? So you have at-home attendance. Your attendance is based on what is required for the week and if you get those things done. So if you get half of the work done, you get 1 day that you're here. If you get everything done, you have 2 days that you're here. Now, done does not mean that you write dog for every answer. Okay? I'm not saying that you can't have wrong answers, but it has to look like you have thought. Does that make sense? So if like every answer is brown, 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 then you didn't do the assignment. Okay? You want to make sure that you are clicking the turn in button when you do assignments. Okay, that turn in button. Because a lot of students don't hit that button, and it depends on how I check things. But if you don't hit turn it in, sometimes I see it and sometimes I don't. Okay? We are not going to redo every assignment here unless you didn't complete it to begin with. I'm going to offer you feedback. Okay? The feedback is so that when we do the final assessments that you are ready for those things. Okay? So you will not get grades for every little thing that you do. Okay? I only want to make sure that you know the standards. And some of that stuff, you know, if you get to the standard, that's all that we care about. Plagiarism and cheating, because we do writing here, if you write something that is not yours, copy and paste it from somewhere, you will be expected to do that assignment again. Everybody okay with that?
No.
No? So that would be the expectation. And I read everything that you write into Turnitin.com. It checks sources, it knows, so it's not worth your effort.
What if you make one word different? Is that okay?
No, it will still show me that it's 90% not yours.
That's not fair. Just change instead of the.
Okay, so online classroom etiquette. So just like in the classroom, anything online should be treated as a safe space. So there shouldn't be any harassing, bullying, typing on the feed, like Ms. Rosebach over and over and over again. That's not something that we do. One thing that we had an issue with, if you are doing a Zoom with someone, if you are doing that, you cannot be taking any pictures or screenshots and uploading those to your personal accounts. Okay? Unless you have someone's permission to do so. Does that make sense? So like if you decide we're on a Zoom together and you take a picture of me and decide to make me into the devil or something and then post that to your Snapchat, that is not an okay thing to do. Correct?
Yeah, I don't have Snapchat.
That's good.
I don't even have phone.
So no information should be posted on your personal accounts.
Yeah, that's
So include that you use professional language in all posts, assignments, videos, and etc. Again, the other English teachers, myself, they want to make sure that you know where this button is. Does everybody see that?
No, it's in the top right
If you're
hand
done?
corner by turn in.
Yeah.
People.
You have to turn in. Alright. So my grades are very similar to probably what you have seen before. It's based on if you are proficient, you get a 3. If it's developing, it's a 2. If it's basic, it's a 1. Those don't go into our grade book though as an actual A, B, C grade. Okay, so The problem with that is that a 3 is an A, a 2 is usually between a C or a D, and a 1 is an F. So you kind of miss that whole B range, but once it starts averaging things, it will come up. But you can always review any of those major assignments. So again, your grades are gonna reflect what you know, and a lower grade is going to show that you have a weakness in a specific area that you might need to work on. Yep. All right, so again, I give you feedback. If you don't look at the feedback, then that's on you. The feedback is in order to help you, right? Anybody have questions about any of that? I didn't read all of it. You have it in an email. You're welcome to read it. All right, does everybody have like a pen, a pencil, marker, or some sort with them? Yes, grab that out. I'm gonna ask you to do something that I can't do. Do you not have something? Bloop, bloop.
Did I bring the pencil? Did I bring the pencil? Did I bring the pencil?
No. Yes, we don't really necessarily need a pencil, but. Do you have something?
I have to.
Okay.
I should. Yeah,
Okay. All right, so what I would like for you to do with that is to go ahead and see if you can't flip it 10 times without dropping it.
Okay.
What am I doing? I did it. Sorry, I'm not very coordinated. Earlier today, I was doing really bad with that. But I got better.
I win, people.
Did you do it?
Yes, I did it.
Awesome.
Actually, I did the last 9, 12, 13, 14. I did it.
You did a lot.
I
All
did it
right.
15 times.
So if you want to go ahead and grab out your computer. And get logged onto the class if you have not yet.
I didn't get my password for the password.
What's that?
So I had a password, it was on a piece of paper, but the password took me, I was just looking at my, schedule, but it was on the back of there, and she took me,
Okay.
I don't know what my password is.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
You didn't language arts 2 times this year?
I don't know. Some people have English and English reading.
No,
I mean,
do
both
we have
semesters.
English, like last year we had it, like 7 and 9, or like 5 and 6?
No.
We only have it once?
Yeah.